Have you ever looked down at your legs and noticed swelling, aching, or visible veins? It can be uncomfortable and even a little scary. But what if I told you there's a natural oil that can help? It's called horse chestnut oil, and people have used it for years to help with swelling, circulation, and vein health. And guess what? Science supports these benefits too. In this video, I'll show you how horse chestnut oil works, what the research says, and how you can safely use it at home. Comment below if you've ever tried horse chestnut oil or are dealing with circulation issues. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future natural health remedies. Number 1. Reduces leg swelling and edema. Every day, millions suffer from swollen, puffy legs. But here's what most people don't understand. Leg swelling isn't just about too much fluid. It's about weak blood vessels that can't do their job. Your blood vessels are like highways. When they're strong, blood flows smoothly back to your heart. When they weaken, blood pools in your legs and fluid leaks into tissues. Your heart pumps blood down easily because gravity helps, but getting it back up requires your leg muscles and strong blood vessels working together. When this system breaks down, blood sits in your legs, pressure builds up, and fluid leaks into surrounding tissues. This creates uncomfortable, heavy swelling. Horse chestnut oil contains essin, a powerful compound that strengthens blood vessel walls from the inside. Clinical studies show remarkable results, a 22% reduction in leg volume after 8 weeks. Essin works like a repair crew for your blood vessels. It tightens spaces between cells, preventing fluid from leaking out. Unlike pills that get diluted through your digestive system, topical application delivers this compound directly where you need it. One study followed 240 people with chronic venous insufficiency. After using horse chestnut extract, participants saw dramatic improvements in leg volume, pain, and quality of life. But swelling is just the beginning. Wait until you see what this oil does to your blood flow. Quick note, if you decide to try this, I've linked quality sources in the description. Number 2, improves blood circulation. Poor circulation is like having a traffic jam in your blood vessels. Blood moves slowly, oxygen doesn't reach tissues efficiently, and waste builds up. This leaves your legs feeling tired, heavy, and painful. When your tissues don't get enough oxygen, they start breaking down. Your skin becomes pale or discolored. Small wounds take forever to heal. You feel exhausted even after simple activities. Your circulatory system is complex. Your heart pumps blood through arteries down to your legs, then your veins push that blood back up against gravity. This requires strong vessel walls, healthy valves, and good muscle tone. Horse chestnut oil works like a traffic controller, getting blood flowing smoothly again. The essin strengthens your capillary walls, tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen to your leg muscles. Your capillaries are so small that red blood cells squeeze through single file. When these vessels are weak, blood flow crawls. When they're strong and flexible, blood moves efficiently. Research in the International Journal of Clinical Pharmacology found horse chestnut improved circulation by 20% in just 4 weeks. People reported more energy, less fatigue, and ability to walk longer distances. Better circulation creates a positive cycle. Your muscles get more oxygen, so they work better. Your skin gets more nutrients, so it looks healthier. Improved circulation feels amazing, but the next benefit is what people notice first. Number 3, minimizes varicose vein appearance. Varicose veins aren't just cosmetic, they're signs of weak, damaged vein walls. When veins lose strength, they can't push blood back to your heart efficiently. Blood pools, pressure builds, and veins bulge and twist like overstuffed tubes. Think of your veins like elastic bands. When they're new, they snap back into shape easily. Over time, they stretch out and lose their spring. This is exactly what happens to your vein walls. Traditional varicose vein treatments are expensive and painful. Laser therapy costs $3,000 per leg. Sclerotherapy involves injecting chemicals. Surgical stripping means removing the entire vein. Many treatments need repeating as new varicose veins develop. Horse chestnut oil offers a natural alternative that addresses the root cause. Essin works like a strengthening agent, restoring elasticity and tone that veins need to function properly. The compound helps rebuild structural proteins in your vein walls. It's like giving your veins a workout that makes them stronger and more flexible, allowing them to contract properly and push blood upward. Multiple studies show regular use use significantly reduces varicose vein appearance over time. One 12-week study found 50% of participants saw visible improvement. Many reported less bulging, reduced discoloration, and smoother skin texture. But if you think varicose veins are bad, wait until you see what it does to those tiny spider veins. Number 4. Reduces spider veins. Spider veins are small, web-like purple and red veins near your skin's surface. They might seem harmless, but they're early warning signs of circulation problems. Spider veins form when tiny blood vessels called venules become weak and dilated. These delicate vessels can't handle normal blood pressure, so they expand and become visible through your skin, creating unsightly web patterns. Many people think spider veins are just cosmetic, but they often signal deeper circulation problems. If you ignore them, they multiply and can eventually lead to varicose veins. Horse chestnut oil is particularly effective against spider veins because it strengthens small blood vessels throughout your system. The Essen compound works on vessels of all sizes, from large veins down to tiny capillaries. When you strengthen these small vessels, they become less likely to dilate under pressure. They maintain proper diameter instead of bulging and are less visible through your skin. Many people see reduction in spider vein appearance within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. New spider veins also form less frequently when you're using horse chestnut oil regularly. Unlike expensive laser treatments that only target existing veins one at a time, horse chestnut oil works as both treatment and prevention for your entire circulatory system. Spider veins disappearing is great, but the next benefit gives you instant relief. Number 5. Relieves heavy, tired legs. If you stand or sit for long hours, you know the misery of heavy, tired legs. By day's end, your legs feel like lead weights. Every step becomes an effort. This heaviness happens because blood pools in your legs when circulation is poor. Gravity pulls blood downward, but weak circulation can't pump it back up efficiently. Your muscles don't get enough fresh, oxygenated blood, and waste products accumulate. People in certain professions suffer more. Nurses, teachers, retail workers, anyone who stands for hours. Even office workers experience similar problems because sitting compresses blood vessels. Horse chestnut oil provides almost instant relief. When you massage it in, many people report immediate cooling, tingling that signals improved circulation. The oil works 2 ways. First, massage helps move pooled blood toward your heart. Second, Essen strengthens blood vessels and improves circulation from inside. People using horse chestnut oil regularly say their legs feel lighter and more energetic all day. One study of healthcare workers found far less leg fatigue after 12-hour shifts. The relief isn't just physical, it's mental too. When your legs don't hurt all day, you're more productive, pleasant with family, and likely to stay active. Instant relief feels great, but this next benefit works at the cellular level. Number 6. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in blood vessels is like rust in pipes. It makes everything work less efficiently and causes pain and swelling. Most people reach for pain relievers that only mask symptoms. When your blood vessels are inflamed, vessel walls become thicker and less flexible. Blood flow becomes turbulent instead of smooth. Inflammatory chemicals cause pain, swelling, and tissue damage. This creates a vicious cycle. Inflammation makes circulation worse. Poor circulation causes more inflammation. The problem keeps getting worse unless you break the cycle. Horse chestnut oil is a natural anti-inflammatory that targets circulation-specific inflammation. Acin reduces inflammatory markers in blood vessel walls, helping them function better. What makes this valuable is that acin targets the specific inflammation affecting your circulatory system. It's specialized for vascular health, not a general anti-inflammatory. Unlike NSAIDs that can cause stomach ulcers, kidney damage, and increased heart attack risk, horse chestnut oil applied topically provides targeted relief without systemic effects. Regular use significantly reduces aching and throbbing pain associated with circulation problems. Many people reduce their reliance on pain medications when using horse chestnut oil consistently. Fighting inflammation is crucial, but the next benefit protects your future. Number 7. Strengthens vein walls. Your vein walls face constant pressure, pushing blood up from your legs against gravity. Over time, this pressure weakens even healthy veins. Think about a garden hose used constantly. Eventually, walls weaken, develop bulges, and lose their ability to maintain pressure. Your veins face the same challenge, but can't be replaced. Vein walls have 3 layers. The inner layer is smooth for easy blood flow. The middle layer contains muscle fibers that contract to push blood upward. The outer layer provides structural support. When any layer weakens, circulation problems develop. Horse chestnut oil acts like a strengthening treatment for vein walls. Acin helps restore structural proteins, collagen and elastin, that keep veins strong and flexible. Strong vein walls maintain proper diameter under pressure, expand and contract efficiently, resist bulging that creates varicose veins, and prevent fluid from leaking into tissues. This strengthening effect is cumulative. The longer you use horse chestnut oil consistently, the stronger your veins become. Many see significant improvements after 8 to 12 weeks. Research shows people with stronger vein walls have better circulation, less swelling, fewer vein problems, and better leg health as they age. Strong veins prevent future problems, but this next benefit helps right now. Number 8. Reduces leg cramps. If painful leg cramps wake you at night, you know how miserable poor circulation can be. One minute you're sleeping peacefully, the next you're jolted awake by excruciating muscle pain. Muscle cramps happen when muscles don't get enough oxygen and nutrients. Your muscles are screaming for help, contracting violently to try getting the circulation they need. Poor circulation creates perfect conditions for cramping. When blood flow is sluggish, muscles don't get enough oxygen during normal activities. They build up waste products like lactic acid and become hypersensitive. Cramping usually happens at night when circulation naturally slows down. Your heart rate decreases, blood pressure drops, and circulation to extremities reduces. If circulation is already poor, this pushes muscles into cramping. Horse chestnut oil improves muscle circulation in several ways. It strengthens blood vessels that deliver oxygen to muscles, reduces inflammation that compresses vessels, and helps remove waste products that contribute to cramping. Many people notice fewer leg cramps within days of starting regular use. Improved circulation prevents muscle fatigue and oxygen debt that leads to cramping. One study found most study participants with frequent leg cramps experienced significant reduction after using horse chestnut oil for 4 weeks. No more cramps is amazing, but wait until you see how fast this heals injuries. Number 9. Speeds healing of bruises. When circulation is poor, minor injuries become major inconveniences. Bruises stick around for weeks, looking unsightly and feeling tender. Small cuts take forever to heal. This slow healing happens because damaged tissues aren't getting fresh blood needed for repair. Your body's healing process depends on good circulation to deliver oxygen, nutrients, and immune cells while removing waste products. When you get a bruise, several things need to happen. Blood vessels need repair, leaked blood needs cleaning up, inflammation needs control, new tissue needs to grow. All these processes require good blood flow. Horse chestnut oil dramatically speeds healing by improving circulation to injured areas. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach damaged tissues, and waste products are removed efficiently. Anti-inflammatory properties also play a crucial role. Inflammation is necessary for healing, but too much slows the process and increases pain. Horse chestnut oil helps regulate inflammation to optimal levels. Many people notice bruises fade significantly faster when they apply horse chestnut oil to the area. What used to take 2 weeks might heal in just days. This faster healing is a sign your entire circulation system is working better. Quick healing is great, but this final benefit could save your life. Number 10. Prevents blood clots. This is the most serious benefit, making horse chestnut oil potentially life-saving. Poor circulation significantly increases your risk of dangerous blood clots, especially deep vein thrombosis in your legs. Blood clots form when blood moves too slowly or becomes stagnant. When blood doesn't flow smoothly, it can clump together and form dangerous clots that block circulation or break free and travel to your lungs, heart, or brain. Deep vein thrombosis affects up to 900,000 Americans yearly. Pulmonary embolism, when a clot travels to your lungs, kills more people annually than breast cancer and car accidents combined. Risk factors include prolonged sitting, surgery, certain medications, and circulation problems. The common thread is poor blood flow that allows clots to form and grow. Horse chestnut oil may reduce blood clots by improving overall circulation so blood moves smoothly, strengthening vein walls so they pump blood efficiently, and reducing inflammation that makes blood more likely to clot. When blood moves smoothly and efficiently, clots are much less likely to form. While you should work with your doctor if you're at high risk, improved circulation is crucial for prevention. This benefit alone makes horse chestnut oil worth considering for anyone with circulation problems. How to use horse chestnut oil safely. Critical. Safety first. Skin testing. Before using horse chestnut oil on your legs, you must do a skin test. Apply a small amount of properly diluted oil to your wrist and wait 24 hours. Check for redness, itching, or irritation. Never use it straight. Proper dilution. Always dilute with carrier oil. Use 2 to 3 drops horse chestnut oil per tablespoon carrier oil. Best carrier oils are coconut, jojoba, or sweet almond oil. Perfect application technique. Apply twice daily, morning and evening after showering. Step 1. Warm oil mixture in your palms. Step 2. Start at feet, work up calves. Always massage toward your heart. Step 3. Use gentle circular motions with light pressure. Step 4. Focus extra attention on problem areas. Step 5. Elevate legs for 10 to 15 minutes after application. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons diluted mixture for both legs. Your 8-week timeline. Week 1, reduced heaviness and pain. Week 2, less swelling, improved energy. Week 4, visible improvements in vein appearance. Week 8, maximum benefits achieved. Quality and storage. Look for products containing at least 20% ASIN. Store in cool, dark places away from heat and light. What to avoid? Never apply to broken skin. Don't use if pregnant without consulting your healthcare provider. Avoid use before sun exposure. Your action plan. Step 1. Get high-quality horse chestnut oil with 20% ASIN content plus carrier oil. Step 2. Do your skin test and wait 24 hours. Step 3. Start with once daily evening application using proper technique. Step 4. Add morning application after a week if skin tolerates it well. Be consistent for 8 weeks minimum. So there you have it, 10 powerful ways horse chestnut oil transforms your leg health, from reducing swelling and improving circulation to strengthening veins and preventing blood clots. This natural remedy addresses circulation problems at their root. But while horse chestnut oil works on your circulation, your immune system faces constant attacks from stress, poor diet, and toxins. Most people don't realize their immune function is declining until they get sick frequently. There's an ancient oil called black seed oil that's revolutionizing immune health and metabolic function, and most people are using it wrong. Next week, I'm revealing the 10 biggest black seed oil benefits you've been missing, including protocols that could transform your immune system and metabolism. Click the link in the description to watch that video now. If this helped you understand horse chestnut oil, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed natural health solutions.